everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for this wig that I have here, and her name is Taisha. It might be Tasha, but I don't know any Tashas what their names spelled like that. But anyway, this is what the stock card looks like. I saw this wig on Elevate Styles website and I just had to have it. I was like, look at those curls, especially like once you brush them out a little bit, it'll be very cute. But yeah, so the name is spelled T-A-I-S-H-A. So I do have her in the color number 2, which is so pretty. It's like a natural dark brown kind of color. So yeah, I did finger comb the curls out just a little bit, and it gave me this pretty wave pattern. This is a lace part wig, so it's not a lace front wig. So if you are somebody who do not like cutting lace, then you are in luck, because it's no lace to cut. It is more like on the silkier side, and I don't know why, but it is coming up a bit shiny on camera. I'm not sure why. I promise this is not shiny at all. It actually has like a good luster to it, and it's not too shiny or too dull. So yeah, so this is a 6-inch deep hand lace parting, and this is what my parting space looks like. This is one of those wigs that if you wanted to, you could cut it like right down the middle and bring out some of your hair. I'm natural, and that's the whole point of me wearing wigs, so I can just give my hair a little break. So I won't be doing that. However, I did add a little bit of powder into my part, and yeah, that's all I had to do. I didn't have to tweeze it. The part looks really good because it's like wide enough, or at least for me anyway. One of the things that I don't like about this wig is the baby hairs. So let me show y'all. My edges are not laid today. I got like baby hairs like right here and like right here, you know. So we got little baby hairs, which I'm not too crazy about. Curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So just in case you wanted to go back and add some tighter curls, or you know, change the style altogether, you could definitely do so up to 400 degrees. This does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. One kind I do have about this wig is that this cap is definitely like on the smaller side. So if your head is on the larger side, definitely do not do it. Don't do it. Another kind about this wig is that it's just very uncomfortable. Just the way the whole thing is made, it's just like not sitting comfortable on my head. I don't know if it's because it's one of the ones where you cut it and you can let some of your hair out, but it's not comfortable to wear this wig at all. Let me do a 360 view so you can see how the whole wig looks. So this wig was about $26. I feel like this is definitely a good price for this wig, especially because there's so many wigs out now and they be wanting like $40, and I just be like, why? What's so special about this wig that you want $40 for a synthetic wig? So yeah, this is $26. You can't beat that. I'm not getting any tangling or any shedding with this wig. My hands go right through. If you guys have any more questions, leave them down below. I'll leave the link down below for this wig just in case you would like to purchase. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.